What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Alone in My Castle by Lil Tracy. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in E flat standard tuning, which means you're going to be in regular standard tuning and then tune all your strings down half a step. I am in E standard tuning, but what I'm playing and what I'm going to show you how to play is the exact same thing that you'll play in E flat standard tuning to play along to the song. As always, if you need the guitar tab, you can find it in the video description, so if you need it once you get done with the video, jump into the description, it's there for you. We're starting with our index finger on the second fret of the D string and your pinky finger on the third fret of the high E. You're going to pick both of those together. G, B, E. Then open D and 2 on the high E together. And then again G, B, E. And then you're going to go second fret of your A string and third fret of your A string, third fret of your B string. Pick those together. Take your ring finger off and pick open B. Then pick 4 on your D string. Pick B again. Then pick both your A and your B string. Open B again, 2 on G, back to open B. That entire thing looks like. Now start back at the same formation that you did in the very beginning, pick it the exact same way. Second formation again, you pick D and E at the same time again, but you're picking those two together. Open G, 5 on E, and open B together. And then G again, so. Then leave that, keeping that index finger on the second fret, put your middle finger on the A string on the third fret. Plug both of those together. 3 on B, 4 on G. So those together. B, G, B, E, B, G, B. Now I'll play, that's the entire thing that just repeats out the entire song. I'll play it a few times slowly so you can really see what it looks like. Here it is. guys, that's all there is to it. Keep practicing, you will have this song down in no time. Now the way the giveaways are gonna work is each month I'm gonna pick 2 winners. One is gonna receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is gonna win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm gonna be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm gonna live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.